going back into history there, but you shouldn't be penalized for things that nobody taught you. It's not general knowledge. You can't just type in some things and find this stuff out, right? These are things that you should be looking for on a regular basis, like or you should just find somebody that knows these things,
Correct. Yeah.
or do your own research. I kind of went long-winded there, man.
No, no,
Go.
no. It's good. It's good. It's good.
I'm super crazy about this stuff because it drives me crazy. It drives me
I know, man.
crazy.
We're passionate. As you hear, we're passionate. Even when we start drinking, man, we know this thing and we want to talk about it. But one of the main things, and when we were saying, is like, learn this, educate yourself, pass it along. We don't learn this. I didn't learn this in school. I know you didn't learn this in school. Trust me. I come from a third world country. We didn't learn that over there, and I didn't learn it when I came here. And today, in TikTok, I have my son over here. My son just said hello to me. So, hi, Max. You know what? He's learning about this. I'm teaching. This is the best thing that I could give him, better than money. He's going to get some money, but limited money. But I want to leave something more for him. I want to be able to teach him how to make his own money, how to be able to be successful. And if he loses anything, he's able to pick up today and make the same amount and more. And that's what you could leave your kids. Because that's what happened with a lot of people that win the lottery. When we have no understanding about finances, credit, and anything like that, they lose it in no time. So today we were in a podcast with one of our mentors. And one of the main things he says, like, when you first want to invest into something, invest in yourself. That is the main investment that is going to serve you 1,000 times. And no matter what you do, you could make $10 a day or a couple $1 million a day. The first investment that you must do is yourself. And then if you want to start a business, start investing into your knowledge about credit, your personal, your business credit, because it's essential. That's one of the legs in everything that you do. You want to buy a house, you want to get a car, you want to get a job, they check your credit. You want to get a job in which you want to have a good job, they check your credit. So don't be dumb, bro. Don't be dumb. Everybody, just you'll be an idiot if you don't do it. If you don't take this, even you don't have to buy anything from us. Just make sure that you educate yourself and make sure that you actually learn how to do it. Hi, Max. I know you sent me some likes. I appreciate it, brother. My son.